Look, it's Buster and Cozy Coupe. Playing in the mud. Mud, 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 mud. And it feels so good. Good, 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 good. Splashing with a friend until the puddles end. Playing in the mud. It's time to get clean. Clean, 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 clean. You know what I mean. Mean, 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 mean. We can splish and splosh in the big car wash. It's time to get clean. I'll turn it on for you. You, 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 you. Then you can drive through. Through, 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 through. Wait, this isn't good. We're still full of fun. Now what do we do? Which one do we press? Press, 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 press. To clean up this mess. Mess, 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 mess. We go round again and everything's the same. Which one do we press? The lever's at the top. Top, 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 top. The bubbles just won't stop.